Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by arranging up to 14 clubs with the longest clubs in the back and wedges in the front for quick access. Use full-length dividers to keep shafts separated and prevent tangles during the round. Position your driver and fairway woods in the rear, hybrids in the midsection, and wedges and putter in front, with the putter in a stability sleeve. Keep the rain hood on the top handle and use the hood strap to prevent loss while walking the course. Organize accessories by frequency of use. Keep a 24 Oz water bottle in the side cooler pocket for cold drinks and a towel clipped to the D-ring for quick drying. Place the rangefinder in the soft-lined valuables pocket for quick access and protection, and put sunglasses in the same pocket when not in use. Store 50 tees, 3 gloves, a divot tool, and ball markers in the top accessory pocket, and use external mesh pockets for snacks and a scorecard. After the round, clean club heads and grips with a damp towel and dry fully to prevent wear and corrosion. This extends club life and performance. Check bag weight and organized contents, aiming to keep total gear under 50 pounds for airline travel and to avoid overweight fees. For flights, use a padded travel cover, remove or loosen the shaft-holding straps as manufacturer recommends, and secure clubs with internal straps or foam to prevent damage during transit. Empty pockets and lock valuables.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.